What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about the top selling camcorders based on price, functionality, and other factors. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also make sure to read the description below for more information and the most latest prices. At first, we have the Canon XA55. The only significant difference between the Canon XA50 and XA55 is the addition of an HD-SDI terminal on the XA55. Both of these camcorders are made to integrate your favorite camcorder's fundamental characteristics with a superb 4K quality to produce footage that is ideal for professional production. They have a 3-inch touchscreen LCD monitor with an integrated 0.24-inch electronic viewfinder that makes it simple to frame photographs and identify faces. The EVF also gives a number of menu choices for enhanced camcorder control while filming, as well as a 45-degree tilt for more comfortable operation when shooting from various angles. Also, they are made to provide large dynamic range gamma support, which can extend up to 800% beyond the norm. This indicates that you can take advantage of fluid photographs with color that is so true to life you won't need to do much post-production work. Plus, these camcorders include Dual Pixel Autofocus technology and Canon's renowned 4K 15x optical zoom lens with Super UD elements, which can capture images with focal lengths ranging from 25.5mm to 382.5mm. Next is Panasonic HC-X2000. Despite being advertised as the lightest and smallest director's camcorder on the market, the new Panasonic X2000 camcorder isn't short on features. With a weight of just 0.9 kilograms for the body alone and about 1.5 kilograms when the grip, battery, lens hood, and eye cup are added, this revolutionary camcorder is portable and ideal for shooting while moving around. It has an integrated LED video light that can be controlled via the dimming slider to provide the ideal lighting for recording videos in low light conditions. A professional microphone can be used to record high-resolution linear PCM audio using the device's 2-channel XLR audio input terminals, which also offers manual volume control. Likewise, when it comes to its performance, it has a magnificent 25mm wide-angle optical zoom lens with a 24x zoom that can be increased to 48x with an extra electronic. Along with such features, it also has a spectacular 4K precision shooting capability, a 5-axis hybrid OIS system, and face detection AF and AE that enable filming at 120 frames per second in super slow motion with 10-bit internal recording in FHD. Next up, we have the Canon XF605. The 15x zoom XF605 camcorder from Canon is a top pick for ENG, sports, entertainment, and narrative applications because it combines high-resolution capture with a mobile workflow. With a small form factor and mobile workflow choices, including an iPhone app, a LAN connector, and integrated dual band MIMO Wi-Fi, it is ready to offer a high-resolution video, up to UHD 4K 10-bit 42:2 capture rates with broadcast-friendly 59.94 frame rates are possible, and the camcorder's processing of the 4K 10-bit 4x2x2 video, selectable color matrix settings including Canon EOS and other industry standard matrix options, as well as compatibility for Canon Log 3, HLG, and PQ color spaces, are also powered by the Digic DV7 engine. With the help of the processor, you are able to make use of the two SD card ports for dual recording, relaying recording, and various simultaneous recording possibilities for your film in MP4 or FXAVC. What's more, you can benefit from touchscreen control that is simple to use, including start and stop, thanks to the direct touch control menu that was adapted for the Canon C70 cinema camera. While the new Canon CTM app for the iPhone provides a completely mobile news process. Through your phone connection and a newsroom server, you can use the app to communicate proxy film, audio, and metadata and incorporate content into assignment planning tools. Next is Sony PXW-Z90V. In a small, palm-sized chassis, this camcorder boasts phase detection autofocus and HDR features. It has a stacked 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor with UHD 4K resolution, a 12x Zeiss optical zoom, an OLED viewfinder, and a 3.5-inch touchscreen LCD monitor to start with its characteristics. Even better, it can record MPEG HD at 4x2x2, as well as 4K in XAVC long at 4x2x0 and HD in XAVC long at 4x2x2 10-bit. When shooting UHD 4K, especially for solo operators, its fast hybrid AF offers incredibly accurate focusing and tracking using high-density positioning of autofocus points and a newly developed AF algorithm. And you could also check your subject's focus while shooting a movie by looking for phase detection AF frames. Likewise, this camera's 12x optical Zeiss zoom and 18x 4K digital zoom allow you to take pictures with excellent contrast and resolution, while greater exposure and control over depth of field are made possible by the integrated ND filter function. Next is JVC GY HM250U. With full-screen graphic overlays for recorded or streaming footage along with real-time broadcast information, this JVC GY HM250U 4K Ultra HD camcorder captured professional quality coverage of events. This camera can record in 4K Ultra HD, 4x2x2 Full HD, or broadcast directly to the web. Its built-in 4K CMOS sensor and 12x optical zoom lens produce spectacular 4K Ultra HD recordings that are instantly recorded to SDHC or SDXC memory cards. And even better, the GY HM250 is outfitted with JVC's dual codec advanced streaming technology, in addition to having dual XLR audio inputs, manual control rings, user assignable buttons, HD-SDI, and HDMI outputs. It has an optional Wi-Fi or 4G LTE modem connection that allows you to instantly stream HD content while simultaneously recording to a memory card. Plus, it also has a top handle unit with two 3-pin XLR inputs that you can use to connect balanced microphones or wireless audio inputs as an extra convenience. Lastly, we have the Sony PXWZ190. Professional videographers are likely familiar with the history of XD cam cameras, which have long been praised for their remarkable quality. This PXWZ190 compact 4K 3 CMOS 1/3 type sensor XD camcorder carries on this noble tradition with a few upgrades here and there. It stands out from the competition thanks to its 1/3 inch Exmor R CMOS sensors, since they provide superior low light performance compared to other sensors. It is the go-to camera for both novices and pros thanks to its superb 4K video recording at up to 60p, 25x Sony G optical zoom, and electronic changeable ND filter. Its compatibility for hybrid log gamma is another noteworthy feature. As a result, the camera is able to capture video that is compatible with both standard and high dynamic range. Also, the camera offers two SD card slots for a variety of recording choices, including simultaneous recording in 4K and HD. Even Wi-Fi capabilities at 2.4 and 5 GHz are included. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.